unexpected shot in the arm for the Indian Olympic Association. Forced to protest Dow Chemical's sponsorship of the London Games after pressure from the Sports Ministry, the IOA now wants more.
The IOA unanimously passed a strong resolution to convey to the IOC as well as the Olympic Organizing Committee that Dow should be removed from the sponsorship. We don't know whether they are still sponsoring the event or not.
But is this mere posturing? Sources in the Sports Ministry say they are unhappy with the IOA stand. They say the IOA should accept this as a partial victory and tone down the rhetoric of a boycott. But the pressure from activists in Bhopal isn't relenting.
We hope that the Indian government will now summon the political will to announce to the London Olympics Committee in clear terms that it will boycott the Olympics so long as Dow Chemical continues to remain a sponsor.
For their part, Dow is keen to send the message out that this is not a climb down, issuing a statement which says, per Olympic clean venue guidelines, the stadium will have no sponsor branding it during the games. The agreement between Dow and LOCOG was limited to branding of 5 test panels that were to be removed in the months before the games and were not part of the final design. But a few questions still remain unanswered. Why did Dow bid millions of pounds to win the contract for the wrap if it wasn't going to have its logo on it? And is this a feeble attempt at wriggling out of the controversy and saving face? With Bureau Inputs, in New Delhi, Digvijay Singh Deo.